I don't know which more you want me to say than that. We're baking fucking cookies. We can't see it. Bye, Bubbles. Sparkling antioxidant infusion. All right, let's get baking, people. So we've got our egg, but we are actually using a flax egg, not a real egg. I usually like using a flax egg better for cookies because I just think it makes them a little bit chewier and not as cakier. And we don't have baking soda, we have baking powder. So it's like you use 3 times as much what it is. I think it's time. Oh, that was not supposed to happen. I was not supposed to behead you. I'm sorry. All right, and I recommend if you guys have a melon baller, this is the perfect size for fucking cookies. So we're gonna scoop it. Whee! Here we go. All right, we've got 10 minutes on the clock, so let's get to waiting. You know, I'm really out of breath. I'm out of shape. Cookies! The cookies are done! Yay! Yay! All right! I'm gonna take this one because this one's all like chocolate chippy and stuff. All right, let's see. It feels pretty crispy on the outside. Oh, it's super ooey gooey on the inside. Ooh. Flawless, like, yeah, 10 out of 10. I'm so happy. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And as always, be a good person. Spread kindness into the world. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.